Hello to all the beautiful and handsome people out there. I hope you all are doing fine and great. Before starting off, do like, share and subscribe because why not? Like before starting off the video only, I might just ask you. And for today's video, I got nothing. Absolutely nothing. We'll just sit and vibe together. So let's just do. Did you hear that? Okay, I think somebody's robbing my house. Should I call police? No. You know what? I've been waiting this moment for all my life. I had so many situations made in my mind. I'm going to confront this person, whoever this person is. Let's go. Right, we are going to expose whoever this person is barging into my house, and how dare you. Hold up. You better stay seated. Hey, stop laughing. It was just a crack of my voice. Stop laughing. You sound like a chipmunk, man. Hello? Hello. That's right. You better stay seated. Okay. What kind of a robber are you? Oh, hey, this place smells weird. Don't you like clean or something? Hey, man, you can't even tie hands properly. First time? Same. What? A first time getting kidnapped. Just shut up. So what's the deal? I am going to hold you for ransom. Oh. Good luck. What? Just tell me which one is your dad's number. Well, it is working hours, so my dad won't pick up the phone. Ooh, you can try my brother's number. It's the fourth one in the contact list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello.
Okay, wait, this is you have 5 seconds to speak. Go.
I have held your sister for ransom and...
Excuse me?
What?
So this is what's wrong with kids these days. Where are your parents?
I'm not a kid. I'm
Yeah, right. 6-year-old kid. Keep the phone.
Excuse. Hello? Classics. Hey, shut up. Don't sound like a 6-year-old. Just give me a number of someone who would like make the deal or at least listen to me. Oh no. I got an idea. The most call number. That should do the work. Don't call that number. Please. Hello, thank you for calling Taj Restaurant. Who am I speaking to? Taj Restaurant? Raju uncle, Pritpal here. अच्छा, hello ma'am. कैसे है सब कुछ? No, listen. हाँ, सब ठीक है और फैमिली कैसी है? अरे आपके वजह से हमारे रेस्टोरेंट का इतना अच्छा बिजनेस चल रहा है. फैमिली क्यों नहीं अच्छी होगी? हाँ, सही है. No, uncle, listen. Oi, why are you interfering when ma'am and I are talking? अरे why are you saying in the middle? हाँ अंकल बोलिए. मैम, आज का स्पेशल ऑर्डर चिकन बिरयानी, श्रिम्प बिरयानी, फिश बिरयानी, वेजिटेबल बिरयानी, चिकन 65, चिकन लॉलीपॉप, फिश टिक्का, फिश मसाला, पनीर टिक्का, पनीर बटर मसाला, पनीर शाही पनीर, मिक्स वेजिटेबल पुलाव. और डेजर्ट में वैनिला आइसक्रीम, चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम, स्ट्रॉबेरी आइसक्रीम, गुलाब जामुन, रसमलाई, रसगुल्ला, गाजर का हलवा, राइस कीरा, कुल्फी. आई टोल्ड यू. हेलो फोन काट दिया. और राजू एक कड़क चाय लेकर आ. Hey, but Taj restaurant shahi paneer is very nice. One parcel can we get? Shut up! I promised my mom that I will at least get this one right. Mom, that's why didn't I think of this?
Oh no!
Hey, no, Amma, please don't call Amma. See, I'm too young to die, man. See, now you're online, right? Hey, I am warning you also. Like, if you call and talk to her, she'll kill you first and then she will kill me. Nonsense. Hi, hello? Hello, ma'am. I have held your daughter for ransom. Ran who? Don't know what garbage language you're talking in. Garbage? I need $1 million. No, 1,000 rupees, that's it. What? No, 900. 900? A 750 and that's my final offer for the suit, okay? Suit? There is no suit here. I've kidnapped your daughter. Kidnapped? This is not Nirmala Suit Collections? No, yaar. Speak. Hello, Mummy. Pritpal? Mummy, hello. What did I tell you? Clean your room and then go out of the house. One job I gave, that also you can't do. Oh my god, did I ask you to make Taj Mahal? No, na. But still, this one tiny job you can't do. No, mummy, I am princess. I don't do no work. See, we do everything and in return, nothing. Arey ma'am, she's kidnapped here. She's not here for a world tour. Or tu, what manners do you have, huh? No hello, no namaste. What, your parents never taught you this? Oh, sorry. Namaste, auntie. Now what's the use of this beta? It's like killing somebody and then telling, oh, I'm so sorry. No. Which school do you go to? I have to complain about this. See, that's why. Sun lo Pratpal. You don't go to school, this is what happens. That's why we keep telling you, go to school, do your homework. Homework? That is what I was forgetting. Did you do your maths homework? See, last time we got a B in that maths exam. This time I need A, and if I don't get A, I won't hit you with the balloon. No. I will kill you with the balloon. Okay, madam. I don't care about your Nirmala suit or your child's math problem. I just need the money. For God's sake, woman. Hello? She cut the phone. Are you crazy? What? I just talked to her. Talked? You talked back to her. Like, we need to get out of here before. Oh no. You were the one who talked back? Auntie, please stop. No. Sorry. ये तो हो रहा ही था ना. See how many times I told you, lock the door. But nahi, mummy, I will do it afterwards. You don't have to worry. No. How could you let this skinny creature inside our house, huh? Hey, you shut up. Your turn will also come. Beta, one job only I gave you to do, huh? I did not tell you to become Mark Zuckerberg. But no, I want to create a scene in that also, huh? No, you wait, bacha. I will tell your teacher. No wonder you did so bad in your exam. Arey, mama, I locked the door. Actually, I broke the lock. Shut up. You broke my lock? Auntie, please stop. Please. See, I know already, beta, that your mummy papa did not teach you manners, but your mummy did not even feed you anything. Such skinny person you came to kidnap. This girl? See, that's why I tell you, go to school, do your homework, do your exam. Now this girl, you right now will do your homework and you will show me, and you will also now start going to school. Arey, I don't want to study.